Hello and welcome to azurewala YouTube channel. We are in how to series and today we are going to discuss how we can associate a public IP address with Azure Firewall. Further, we are going to discuss the use of global public IP address and regional public IP address. Before I begin this video, I would like to appreciate Denrod Card, Nayan Purbia and Kamal Sima's contribution for the channel in the form of super thanks. We are on cross region or global load balancer page in learn.microsoft.com. Azure Standard Load Balancer supports cross region load balancing, enabling geo redundant high availability scenarios. The front-end IP configuration of your cross-region load balancer is static and advertise across most Azure regions. So in this case, the static standard public IP will associate with cross-region load balancer, and that public IP can associate with regional public load balancers. The health probe of cross-region load balancer gather information about availability of each region load balancer every 5 seconds. If one regional load balancer drops its availability to 0, cross-region load balancer detects the failure. The regional load balancer is then taken out of rotation. If one regional load balancer is out of service, then user is diverted to another regional load balancer. Build cross-region solution on existing Azure load balancer. Home region is where cross-region load balancer or public IP address of global tier is deployed. So these are the regions where global tier public IP is deployed. This region doesn't affect how the traffic is routed. If a home region goes down, traffic flow is unaffected. So these are the home regions. We are going to create static, standard and global public IP on West US region. Let's go to Azure portal. We are in Azure portal now. We will go to resource groups, RG2. Under RG2, we have created one public IP address in West US location. We will open it. The SKU is standard, tier is global, and this is the IP address. Now we will try to associate this global public IP address to Azure Firewall. Back in resource group 2, we'll hit create firewall, click firewall, click create. Name FW1. Region is West US region. It's going to be premium firewall. Firewall policy 1. OK. Virtual network address space subnet will keep the same. Here we can choose a public IP address. So our IP1, which is the global public IP address, we are able to view this public IP address here, and we will go to next. We don't want any tag. We'll go review and create. Validation passed. We will hit create. Initializing deployment, submitting deployment, deployment in progress. Firewall is deployed now. We can see we do have premium SKU, premium firewall. We do have public IP associated with it, so we can go public IP configuration. and we can see the public IP, which is the global public IP associated with the firewall. We can go to public IP from here, and this is the global public IP. This proves that we can associate a global public IP or a regional public IP with Azure Firewall. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.